Hello, my fourth standard kids. Welcome to English class. This is your term 3, unit 1 lesson, the 7 seeds. Okay, hope you are all fine with this season. We are missing you to see you in the classes. Hope you all are learning your lessons and doing your projects well. We are very happy to see your projects. And also now let us go on to the new lesson for this term 3. Already we have learned the poem Be Honest. This lesson is also about honesty only. There was a king in Annamalai Hills and he was very a good king. He flourished in trade and arts. Okay, so I'm going on just explaining the whole of the lesson in my words. I'm not reading from the book because it is taking a long time to capture in the video. Let us read it in the book when we get our third term books from our school. So let us finish the lesson. It's a very simple lesson and a very easy lesson. So all those who are interested can have an easy go through of the lesson by reading it when you get the books. Okay, this is the king in the picture. He is giving 7 seeds to the small children. Okay, let us see why he is giving it. He was very flourishing in trade, arts under his rule for the king's rule. And then he was very sad because he did not have any sons or daughters for his throne, for the next throne after him, after he dies. It was been 30 years and many are been going on, coming and going, but he was not happy. He was getting aged, because he was very worried that he is not having somebody very good for his throne. So he wanted to select somebody very nice for his throne, very wise, very honest. Okay, so he had a small competition for the whole of the kingdom children. So he selected some of the children here. See, I'm showing it in the textbook here. So he selected some of the children and gave them competition. This competition was for 6 months. It held in various levels. It was been happening. For 6 months they were being selected and only 5 boys and girls came out of those competitions and selected for the last round. The last round was very tough for them. So they were selected only 5 boys and 5 girls. And they were seemed too little to separate from each other, and they were very intelligent, strong and capable. Okay, the king said, the last test for you will be whoever passes will be becoming the winner, and they will be the throne king or the queen of this country. Then he continued that they should know about how to do agriculture, farming, and then how to grow crops. All that they should know, because they should know very much how to be cultivate all the types of crops in their country. So then he asked them to plant and nurture the seeds that were given. They were given 7 seeds. Each of them were given 7 seeds, and then they should grow it for 6 weeks. They should grow it for 6 weeks by nurturing them, watering them, putting soil for them properly, keeping them proper in the sunlight, everything, and then make them grow well. This is the very important competition for all the small children, that 5 children, boys and girls. So they took the seeds, planted it in the pot, and then they started to do the nurturing every day. They put water for it, they did soil, and then they went on kept the this thing for in the soil also. And then all of the people were excited for the finalists. Every day they used to come and see their pots, how they are growing or what they are going on seeing. The children, what has happened is, every day they take and keep the pot outside. There is a girl in them. Her name was Agni. Annie was very much worried because every day she kept out the plant pot outside her house without any plants in them. The seed was not at all sprouting for her. The seed what the king gave, the 7 seeds, did not grow at all for her. When she saw her friends, she was very upset. Okay, then she put a soil for it. She selected good water, soil, everything she was put for the soil. But she did not get the plants being sprouted like the other boys and girls. Her parents were very much upset, very much sad about that child, and then they were praying all night and day for the seeds to grow, but nothing happened. Some also advised her, see, the seeds are not very good for you, so you take out the seeds and plant a new seed for the, leave the what the king has given for you, leave it out and take out a new seed and put it for you to grow. That, but Agni said, no, I won't do it. Again, some other friends asked her, pull out the seeds and plant new plants, grown plants in your pot and take it to the king. So show the king that it is grown nicely. But the Agni girl did not, girl did not accept her, because her parents taught her value of honesty, and she remained that only. She said the king would have given us, told us to grow any other crop, any crops that he had wanted to, but she said to grow only the 7 seeds crop. That means he wants us to be honest. So I will be honest only. So the day came, they called all the 5 boys and 5 girls to the king's kingdom and wanted to see the plants growing. All of the people were very happy to see the other children, the 5 boys and girls who have grown their plants and brought it to the king to show. The king was just silently observing. The last came the Agni girl, but when she gave the plant, it was not at all grown. All the people were upset. They laughed at her. Okay, so they did not know what to do with the with that girl. After that, what has happened is, the same king, when he saw Annie standing without anything in her pot, very much satisfied, and he opened up and said that this girl will be the next leader of our kingdom. Dear people, behold my hair. The next leader of our kingdom will be Annie. So people were very confused. Why that girl? What has happened? Then the king opened up his mouth and said, I have given all the children 7 seeds, but they will not grow because they have been boiled seeds, and boiled seeds cannot grow. Okay, so he wanted to test their character, test of honesty. So he wanted to test each and every child's honesty. So honesty is important. Thank you for watching. Bye.